In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a test order on Shopify. Testing your checkout is a smart way to make sure everything works the way you expect before real customers start buying. You'll see exactly what the customer experiences, confirm that your payment flow is smooth, and do it all without charging a real card. Start by opening your Shopify admin. From your dashboard, click Settings, then select Payments. This is where you control how your store accepts money. We're going to switch into a safe test mode using Shopify's built-in simulator so you can place a practice order without processing an actual payment. In the Payments section, add a provider and choose the bogus gateway. This is Shopify's testing gateway that pretends to process payments. Click Activate to turn it on for your store. While bogus gateway is active, any checkout you run through it will be simulated, which is perfect for confirming your flow end to end. If your store is live, consider doing this during a quiet time so you don't interrupt real shoppers while you test. Next, visit your storefront. From your admin, open online store and view your website just like a customer would. I recommend opening it in a new tab so you can quickly switch back to your admin when you're done. This helps you check the visual flow and make sure everything looks right on your product and cart pages. Now place a test order, pick any product you have available, click buy now or add it to the cart and proceed to checkout. Fill in the checkout form with realistic placeholder details for the customer information, shipping address, and contact fields. When you reach the payment step, enter dummy payment details. Because you're using the bogus gateway, the system will accept fake information for this test. Continue through the process until you see the order confirmation screen. This mirrors exactly what your shoppers will see when they successfully complete a purchase. Finally, switch back to your Shopify admin and open the orders page. You should see the new test order listed there. Open it to confirm the details look correct, including the product, the customer information you entered, the shipping method, and the payment method, indicating the test gateway. This confirms your checkout is functioning and recording orders the way you expect. This simple workflow lets you safely test your checkout without processing real payments, giving you peace of mind before you go all in on sales. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials.